ask, I filed for an I-130 in July of 2020. I am a lawful permanent resident. I got my receipt notice in December of 2020. It's been a year and 3 months of waiting. How long do I have to wait to get approved?
Who's sponsoring who?
No, I am a lawful permanent resident. I didn't get a sponsor.
What is it getting approved then, if he's already a green card holder? I'm totally confused on this question. Can you read it one more time, or did I completely miss it?
I filed for an I-130.
I'm a lawful permanent resident. I filed an I-130.
I got my receipt in December.
Who are you filing for? We don't know. And who's getting the green card? Okay, next.
Okay.
All right, that doesn't even count as one.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
As if Khan, Brad Squad VIP member, how can I become legal if I've overstayed on a B1 B2 visa since 2013?
Call a lawyer. We got to figure it out.
Ali Ikram on YouTube. Is there any hope for undocumented people?
I hope so.
Mubarak Urakuva on YouTube. I had my asylum interview in 2018 and my case is still pending. I don't know if I passed my interview or not. I don't know anything. What should I do?
Well, we need to follow up with immigration and find out. That is for sure. And if not, do a threat of a mandamus or an actual mandamus to get them to make a decision.
Avriel Miller on YouTube. Can someone within ITIN apply for a tax refund?
You will not get a tax refund with an ITIN, but once you get your social, you will.
T on YouTube. My husband and I have separate health insurance from our employer. Can it be a factor on the day of the marriage-based interview? We have other joint documents together aside from health insurance.
Answered, and the answer is not a problem. I answered that one.
Oh.
Nixta G on YouTube. How can I get my daughters ages 12 and 14 from France as quickly as possible? My husband is a U.S. citizen.
File an I-130 visa petition for each of them separately right now.
Okay, Ma Dukes on Facebook. My friend is from Jamaica and married to a U.S. citizen who's ready to file for her and her adopted child who's under 18 and was adopted before marriage. Can he file for the adopted child?
There's no friend sponsorship. Who a friend sponsoring for a friend?
My friend is from Jamaica and married to a U.S. citizen.
Oh, married
who's
to a
ready
U.S. citizen.
To file.
Okay. You can file for the wife, obviously the spouse. You can file for her adopted child if she has a legal adoption. That adoption is more than 2 years, and you can prove that she lived in the household with that child for 2 years. Then that child would legally be allowed to immigrate to the U.S. as an adopted child, and you would be sponsored by the step parent, yes.
Daryl Winba on YouTube. I just filed for change of status from B2 to F1 and have biometrics next Wednesday. Can I get married in November to a green card holder who will be filing for her citizenship next year in May?
Yes, and if you're in legal status, you'd be able to adjust your status, but wait until you get your student visa first. Wait 90 days so there's no misrepresentation issue. Then get married while in legal status. You would be able to adjust.
Okay, Jessica Leamy, Joelle Davis on Facebook. How soon after an LPR husband applies for his citizenship must the immigrant apply for the green card?
Right away.
Sezo on YouTube. Can a conditional green card holder re-enter the U.S. with a green card only and without their country's passport?
No.
Mr. Biggs on YouTube. Can my wife come stay with me till I file for her? She's coming here, coming on her visiting visa from Jamaica, and I'm a green card holder.
Well, if she's on a visitor's visa and she stays for 90 days and visas remain current to the F2A category, not only would she be able to stay, you'd be able to adjust her status here.
Janet S. on YouTube. Do I need to submit an affidavit of support for a VAWA I-485?
No.
Zach Latif Rahman on Facebook. My wife filed for naturalization with her mom and her sister filed separately. They got their interview this month, but my wife hasn't gotten an interview yet. Do you know why? Could it be because of me? Because I'm out of status?
Just luck of the draw.
And last one, Olatau Adaju Aburu on Facebook. I applied for my green card 18 months ago. I went for my interview 6 months ago, but since I applied, they have not sent my social security number or my SN. Sent no work authorization and have not gotten back to me. What can I do?
He got his green card 6 months ago.
Got his green card 18 months ago.
18 months ago.
And went on my interview 6 months ago, but since I applied...
No, you didn't get your green card 18 months ago and go on an interview 6 months ago. They applied 18 months ago. He went for his interview 6 months ago, And what did he, we don't know whether he got approved or not. So it sounds like there's a pending case. And in the meantime, hopefully, if he adjusted his status, he got a work permit and he could get and if not, he should file an I-765 with the Social Security, and then he'll get his Social Security number with the work permit. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.